Smokey's telling us to put it on Animal Planet.
Smokey, you don't watch kitties.
He was, we had news up there, and he
You
don't want to watch.
kitties.
He don't want to watch the news. He wants to watch the kitty cats.
I'm just defining.
It's right there on Homes. You go to Homes, go over. There's
There.
one.
You want to watch puppies, Smokey?
Get the puppies.
The world isn't black
You have
and
to
white.
skip them.
There's no set path.
Fast forward, get it on there. And get his attention. There's your Smokey. There's your doggies. Get your doggies. Get your kitty cats and doggies. This is Smokey watching Animal Planet. He won't leave us alone until he watches his TV for the day. Yeah, he loves it. Hey, get him, Smokey.
It's a puppy.
You can get the puppy and watch the puppy. Get him. You get the puppy on TV. Your doggy. Your doggy food. Oh well. He's mad. He sees something he likes, so he jumped up. Oh, he don't like that noise. Mommy don't got him on kitty cats.
Hey, get the puppies.
They want kitty cats. Nope, you don't have kitty cats. I don't want them.
There's no.